models.
It's the Teletronix.
This is
Great
the
new company.
Teletronix, yeah.
And the compression on kind of smooths out the sound, can take some of the highs and some of the low and push it together a little bit, and it's smooth. I like it. Nice smooth compressor.
Nice. So from the Teletronix, or from the Universal Audio website, the Teletronix LA2 Studio Compressor puts the sounds of legendary optical tube limiter at your feet, voiced to precisely match the original hand-wired hardware, with all the inspiring tone and classic feel on tap. Get warm optical tube compression sounds heard on decades of classic records. Add weight and texture to any sound, clean or dirty, with perfectly emulated tube preamp section. Easily dial in perfect compression effects with mix control and stock/fast switch.
I like to add weight and texture. You know, it does that. It adds a fatness to it.
Adds a little girth, or as they say, balls.
And you can, I'll run it a little more gainy and let you hear it maybe.
Oh, I like that. I like that.
Right, that's it.
Something just happened there.
So overdrive a little bit. Very good. Like that a lot.
Nice tone.
Very nice sound. I almost want to leave that on.
No?